Hello students, hope you all are well and staying safe at home. In this semester, we will start with the paper Partial Differential Equation. In this book, we will learn about what are partial differential equations, how to form partial differential equation, classification of partial differential equation, and some methods of solving partial differential equations like that. But before knowing what are partial differential equation, we will discuss about differential equations and their classification. Differential equation. A differential equation is an equation involving the derivatives of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. That is an equation that have derivatives and derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. For this, first consider function y of x. Here y depends on x. Whenever we substitute the value of x, we get correspondingly some value of y. Here y depends on x. So y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Now, differential equation is an equation having derivatives of dependent variables with respect to independent variable. In this case, dependent variable is y, independent variable is x. So this is an example of differential equation because it has derivative of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x. This is an equation containing derivatives of dependent variables with respect to independent variable. Now, depending upon the number of independent variables, we can classify the differential equation as ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. If number of independent variable is 1, then we call the differential equation as ordinary differential equation, and if the number of independent variables are 2 or more, then we say the differential equation as partial differential equation. Let's have a look at the definition of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation is a differential equation having derivatives of dependent variables with respect to independent variable. But here one thing should be noted, that here dependent variable can be one or more, but independent variable is one. There is restriction on number of independent variable. If independent variable is 1, then we say the differential equation as ordinary differential equation. For example, consider y as a function of x. Here y is dependent variable as y depends on x and x is independent variable. Here we have only one independent variable, so this is an example of ordinary differential equation. Consider another example. Here we have taken y as some function of x and z as some other function of x. Here we have two dependent variable y and z and one independent variable x. Now this is an equation having two dependent variables y and z and one independent variable x. So this is again an example of ordinary differential equation. Just one thing you have to remember, that in ordinary differential equation, independent variable must be 1. Next is partial differential equation. Partial differential equation is an equation involving partial derivatives of dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variables. Here we have again derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, but condition is that dependent variable may be one or more, but independent variable must be 2 or more, not equal to 1. Because if independent variable is 1, then we call differential equation as ordinary differential equation. Now consider an example. This For this we have considered z as a function of x and y. Here x and y are independent variable and z is dependent variable, as z depends on x and y. Now this is a partial differential equation, as it contains one dependent variable and two independent variable. Independent variable must be 2 or more. There is no condition on dependent variable. Again, in this example we have two independent variables, so this is also an example of partial differential equation. Next we have order of partial differential equation. The order of partial differential equation is the order of highest order partial derivative occurring in it. पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का ऑर्डर क्या होगा? उस इक्वेशन में जितने हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर का डेरिवेटिव प्रेजेंट होगा, दैट ऑर्डर विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, this is an example of partial differential equation because it has two independent variables. Now this derivative is of first order. This derivative is also of first order with respect to y. We denote partial derivative by curly z by curly x. This is curly z by curly y. This is partial differential equation as it has two independent variables. Now this derivative is of order 1. Also this derivative is of order 1. So maximum order, or we can say highest order derivative present in the equation is of first order. So this is a partial differential equation of first order. Consider another example. This is also a partial differential equation as it has two independent variables x and y. Now this is uh, 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 second order partial derivative with respect to x. This is first order partial derivative. This is also first order partial derivative. So the maximum order derivative, or we can say highest order derivative present in this equation is of degree 2. This is second order, this is first. Highest order derivative is of 2. So this is partial differential equation of second order. Next is degree of partial differential equation. Degree of partial differential equation is the greatest exponent of the highest order partial derivative occurring in it after making it free from radicals and fractions as far as derivatives are concerned. Degree means जो highest order partial derivative present है equation में, उसकी power कितनी है? That power will be the degree, but you have to check that derivatives are free from radicals or fractions. If derivatives are free from radical and fractions, derivatives की power fraction में ना हो, radicals में ना हो, अगर तब हम जो highest order derivative है उसकी power को कहेंगे, that will be the degree of partial differential equation. For example, this is partial differential equation in two independent variables x and y. Now here we have derivative of first order. Again here we have derivative of first order. The power of highest order derivative present here is 1 and the power is 1 here. So we have this as an example of partial differential equation of first degree. Consider another example. This is partial differential equation in two independent variables x and y. Here we have derivative of order 1. Here we have third order derivative. Again here we have first order derivative and this is first order derivative. The highest order derivative present here is 3 and power of this third order derivative is 1. We have to check the power. power of this derivative is 1. So this is partial differential equation of first degree. Next example, this is partial differential equation in independent variables x and y. Here we have first order derivative present, and here we have second order, again first order derivative. The power of this derivative is 2 and the power of this first order derivative is 4. So highest order power is 4. So this is partial differential equation of 4 degree. In the next video, we will see how to form partial differential equation. Thank you.